in lovely colored. Keep practicing. Those who have not yet sang, you can sing it to us. And today it is time for drawing a rabbit. We'll see how to draw a rabbit. So I hold my book in landscape form and then I am quickly drawing a margin so that my drawing looks neat and clean. So what is the first thing we see about a rabbit? Of course, yes, it's long ears. So we will start with drawing the ears of our rabbit, and which will be like this. So this is the shape. You can call the shape like an oval with a long nose. And inside it we will make an oval, perfect oval for the inside of the ear. Now there of course will be 2 ears and this is the other ear. So here we are not seeing the inside of the ear, right? Now the head. So again another oval. I guess you know what is the shape of the oval. An oval is nothing but the shape of an egg. Now I will erase this part of the oval, make the nose and the mouth of our rabbit. So we have got the ears, the nose, the mouth and the head. And now it is time for its beautiful beady eyes. So see, they have really big and beautiful eyes. Our rabbits do have. We will be erasing the neck and the back side of the head, and from there we will make the neck and the body. The front of the neck will come from here and make the chest part of a rabbit. Here we are just breaking the line because these are nothing but fur. From here we make the hands. And there's the other hand. Now this is the leg. He is folding his legs and sitting. And this is how the leg will come with the feet, 3 fingers, and the chest. This line will come and join here. Here we have the other feet. The other leg is on the other side, so we cannot see them, but we can see the feet. And of course, last but not the least is the small tail of our rabbit. So here we have got a rabbit. What else? Now what does a rabbit love? Yes, you are right. How can we make a rabbit without making a carrot? So let us give some carrot to our hungry rabbit. So maybe he has come for getting food in a carrot field, isn't it? So we have drawn the carrots as well. Now let us make some other interesting things. Maybe there is a bush over here. and the bush behind. You can make your different background if you wish. So I'm just going to make a garden with flowers. I don't know the name of the flowers. You can make your own flowers. Maybe these are some little wild flowers. Like I said, if you wish, you can make your own background or even one own flowers. Okay, so here we go. He's sitting over here. Carrots here and there. And he's ready to eat the carrots. We will be coloring our rabbit, but before that, you can use a black ballpoint pen to outline the entire drawing. Okay, the simple ballpoint pen can be used to outline the drawing. So this is how it looks after the black pen outline has been done. Now you can erase the extra pencil marks with the help of an eraser. Like this. Make sure that you erase the stuff after the pen ink has dried. So just give it a few minutes before you erase. Otherwise, see, all these lines will come. Lightly erase the pencil marks, and always remember your drawing has to be very light. Okay. So this is how we have our drawing. Now let us color it together. So what is the color of rabbit? Absolutely, you are right. Rabbit is white in color. So how will you color a rabbit? Let us see. So first I will be coloring the ear. So I will take a pink and very lightly I'll apply the pink like this. Then I will take a white color and mix the pink with the white, which will give me even lighter tone of pink. Then I will come near the nose with the same color, and here also I will be applying a bit of pink near the mouth and the nose. And the same thing I will be following. I will use my white color to soften the pink color to give it a very subtle look. Oh, nice. Now I am going to take a grey. Very lightly I am doing the grey starting from the other ear. So this is the back side of the ear. And again, the white color will be taken to mix the grey with the we will be using the grey white color to mix the colors and give it a very soft look. See, like pencil, we will not be using our colors too darkly. So we will always be using the colors very, very soft. See, you don't have to put pressure in your pencils or your colors, yet you can get a very nice look. The same thing I am doing, I am using the grey color and mixing it with white. So we will do the same thing for the other parts of the rabbit as well. We will leave the center white. The upper part of the legs also I am just leaving it white. We will see why. Maybe 1 or 2 strokes of color you can give. And doing the same thing. I am mixing the colors. Okay, so we have, how can I forget the tail, of course. So you have colored our rabbit. No, we are yet to add another color. So I'll be using some blue. Now you will ask, why a rabbit who is supposed to be white is having so many colors? So unless we use these colors, our rabbit will look uncolored. So there is a difference between white color and uncolored. And see, there is no point basically of using white on white paper, right? So we are creating a little bit very subtle shadows which will give the white rabbit its look. See, this is how it will look. Looking nice now? Yeah, they are beautiful. They're lovely, they're beautiful, and they're very pretty animals. So here goes our rabbit. Our rabbit will look. Now we are done with the rabbit, and the rest of the background I want you to finish. Okay? So again, the homework will be to finish the rabbit and share it with us. Hope you all enjoyed. Waiting to see your colored drawings. Maybe in some of the videos in future we will be sharing few of the drawings which we get, the colored homeworks. Till next week. Bye bye. See you. Hope you enjoyed.